Okay, the sound for this is currently coming from the Rode Videomic Go. It's going into the XY capsule on a Zoom H5 and going from a 3.5mm lead out into the DSLR. It's a Canon 7D. I picked up this little microphone because it was very inexpensive and very, very lightweight, because I wanted just a little microphone to capture just scratch audio in the camera, but also something that I could put a furry Deadcat on and get good clean audio on windy days to make it easier for pluralize and that sort of thing, to automatically sync up my audio between cameras. But unfortunately the wind noise and rumble that this little microphone picks up, even with the Deadcat attached, makes it just completely unsuitable for that purpose. So I've been kind of scratching my brain trying to work out why, because I tried the Deadcat Go, as this is, on a couple of other shotgun microphones. A short on an Audio-Technica AT875R, and the Deadcat did really substantially reduce the noise of the wind, so I knew it couldn't be the problem. And I looked at the design of the microphone and the interference tube, and there was at this end of the microphone there's open holes in the interference tube, and I wondered, was the wind just getting in there a little bit easier? But I experimented and I couldn't make out why. But what I discovered anyway is that the wind is actually blowing in around the headphone jack, or the mic jack here on the back of the Videomic Go. You might think that's crazy, but if I just breathe very gently at the back of the microphone, you can hear the rumble. So obviously when the wind blows, that's pretty bad, yeah. So I picked up an old furry that I had that it was off actually an old Zoom H2, but I use it on a dynamic microphone. But I thought if I just covered up the back of the mic, excuse the noise, would it help with the wind noise? So if I just do the breathing again, the wind noise is mostly cured. So my suggestion, Rode, would be to come up with a new design, either to help with the ingress of wind in round this socket, or design a new Deadcat Go that clips right round the back of the microphone. Would make it a much more useful tool. In the meantime, I'll be using this, but it's not an ideal solution.